Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of this channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting and we are going to cover all the concepts basically and proper use case of those concepts to like how to use them in a proper trading, day-to-day trading and let's start this video. So firstly, this is the BTC chart you can see. Now you can see these consolidations and these consolidations are called balance ranges. So if you have seen my video of balance and imbalance market, you will got to know that we use volume profile on these ranges. So if I use a volume profile here on this range, we will get a balance area of this range. Now similarly, we use a volume profile of this range, a balance range on this, and again we use here and almost here. Now you see every range when price tries to break, we get an imbalance move. So this is the imbalance move here. We closed above this profile and we also broke the balance range here and we give a good breakout. So yeah, this breakout sustains and we get an imbalance price. Now coming to the recent consolidation, you can see we broke this range here and price gives a very good imbalance move here. Now what I expect here is price make and goes into this imbalance range. So yeah, this is what I am currently expecting here. Now if we check out one beautiful concept of volume profile which I mentioned in one video there last week I guess. So if we mark out the points of previous this range, you can see how beautifully price just took those value points on yesterday and just there only the whole imbalance move has stopped. Now if you just extend this range, you see price comes into an old range, rejects from the old balance range low and just goes to the opposite side of the range. Now this is a very good concept of acceptance and rejection. You can find this on, let's suppose this is a balance range and price coming to this balance range. Now here 2 points come. First one is either price rejects this range and that will be rejections. That will be rejectance and we will short on this trade setup. Second is acceptance. Now when price sustains here, so accepts and we move to the opposite side of the range. So same way we accept in this range here and we go to the opposite side of the range. Now coming to the hourly time frame, if you see here, we try to accept first, but we failed. Then you can see price accepts here finally, and it goes to the opposite side of the range. Now the easy target for this will be this range high, and we captured this move, not whole move, but a pretty decent move on this trade setup. So what was the logic for today's setup? If I remove just all the drawings, price broke this balance range, we got impulsive move here and that impulsive move comes into this old value, this old balance range, and we see acceptance and rejections method here, and we find out that price got accepted in this range. Now if it goes to this side, there are two possibilities, like price will start going low, which means the imbalance move continues, but it rejects here, which means the price is now looking forward to go to the imbalanced position here. So this was the logic for this trade, and you see, so yeah, this was the trade. So coming to the TPO chart, the analysis was for this trade was I marked out previous day range value area. So this is a TPO value area of previous day range, and I use the acceptance and rejection method here also. So AMT basic rule is how is price reacting to the balance and imbalance points. Now here, first of all, my bias was long here for in case of that balance area. Secondly, it rejects the previous balanced area low, and it was bullish for me. Then I went to the daily TPO chart. I look for acceptance in previous sold range, and which gives me a pretty decent trade here. Now coming to a trade, first of all, I wait for like firstly price to break this previous day value area here. Now we can see here price didn't sustain here. Now at this point, how was footprint was, now all the buyers that are present at this candle were at the top of the candle. Now let's suppose this is a level, and price is coming here. Price broke this level. Now all those institutional buyers, you can say, or bidders, or that buyers that are looking for longs, they long at this peak and highest point. Now if price doesn't goes up from here recently and just start going down, that means is all buyers get trapped here, and price just follows, like the sellers started follow up the price and price is going lower. Now this is the basic concept of footprint. Let's suppose you're longing in some level here and price just broke this. Now at this point there are a lot of buyers at this point, but when price started going down, the sellers were present here, but they're not able to break the price lower. So we sustained at some imbalance, which means we start going here. And when price broke this level, so all these buyers got their value here and they start buying at higher level, which means the price will go up. So here what happened, price was buyers was present at this point, but price isn't sustained, so which means these all buyers are underwater. Now what happened here, secondly, when price broke this, they found immediate control here, and when price broke this, you can see how much pretty, like what a candle that break this previous candle, and you can see the size of that candle, which means the buyers are very strong on this case. And we continued upside, and target was simple, this zone, you can mark here. So this was a simple target for this trade, and simple logic of previous day value area. Secondly, range lows, then TPO stuff and footprint chart. So yeah, this is the basic use case of the all the concepts which I have already covered in this channel. And yeah, this is pretty much for this video. And moreover, same type of executions are coming sooner, and I will cover all those. For me, covering all setups are like little difficult, but I will try to cover. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you understand some point